How to clear cache on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can clear cache on Spotify. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you want to clear cache on Spotify on iPhone basically, here's how you can do it. Now, unlike Android where you have to head into settings and head over to the app info page, there you have to clear the cache. On your iPhone, it's pretty simple. Simply open up this Spotify application. Once you open up the application, you'll find the profile icon at the top left corner. You want to tap on it and the pop-up will appear from the left. Once the pop-up appears, you'll find the settings and privacy option. You want to simply tap on settings and privacy. Under it, you can see the first option, account, and the second one that says data saving and offline. You're going to tap on that option, and here now scroll down to the bottom on the page. You'll find at the very bottom the option that says clear cache. Simply tap on clear option there and you can go ahead and clear cache. This is how you can clear cache on Spotify on iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.